Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today, I am here to give you the explanation of new chapter, that is the last leaf. I hope you will be understanding it. Now, let's get ready to understand this chapter. The last leaf. What is the meaning of the title? It means एक आखिरी पत्ती. Now, start from the starting. It is autumn, the wind is blowing hard, and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen, except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So, my dear students, story starts from the autumn season. A wind is blowing very hard outside, even it is raining very heavily. Just outside of a house, there is an ivy creeper, and from that ivy creeper, all the leaves have fallen off except one. मीन्स एक घर के सामने एक दीवार पर एक आइवी क्रीपर है, एक बेल है जिसकी ऑलमोस्ट सभी पत्तियां नीचे गिर चुकी हैं एक्सेप्ट वन. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सू एंड जॉन्सी, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So, my dear students, here starts from two characters. There are two young girls named Sue and Jonesy, and they shared a small flat. It was basically on the third story of an old house. Jonesy fell very seriously ill in November. She had a pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor. It was the month of November when Jonesy fell seriously ill. She was victimized of pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving. That means उसका बेटा कुछ काम नहीं था. As she was victimized of pneumonia, she simply lying on bed and gazing just outside of the window, right? And there was her friend Sue. She became worried, she became anxious. Therefore, she called the doctor there. Although he came every day, there was no change in Jonesy's condition. As Sue used to call doctor every day, and he came there every day, but there was no recovery, there was no change in Jonesy's health. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Jonesy?" "No," replied Sue. "But why do you ask?" One day, what happened? The doctor took Sue aside, talked to her, and asked her, "Is there something wrong with Jonesy?" At once, Sue replied that it is nothing like this. But why do you ask? Why do you ask such question, doctor? The doctor said, Jonesy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. The doctor very desperately said that it seems that Jonesy has made up her mind that she doesn't want to be fine. And if it is so, then medicines cannot work there. Medicines are not going to help her in her recovery from pneumonia. Let's continue. Sue tried her best to make Jonesy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Jonesy did not respond. When Sue came to know that something like this took place with my friend Jonesy, that she is actually victimized, some kind of misconception, she started making efforts. She tried to make every the best effort so that Jonesy might take interest in things around her. She probably talked about clothes, fashions, right? And why it was being done so that Jonesy might take interest in the things. Sue wanted to make her fine by doing so. Jonesy continued to lie still on her bed. She brought her drawing board into Jonesy's room and started painting. But there was no effect on Jonesy's mind. She simply kept on lying on bed and gazing outside of the window. But after some time, Sue brought her drawing board into Jonesy's room and started painting there so that she might give her a company to Jonesy to take Jonesy's mind off her illness. She whistled while working. Even so started whistling there just to divert Jonesy's mind from her illness. Suddenly, Sue heard Jonesy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Jonesy counting backwards. After some time, Sue heard something that was being spoken in a very low voice by Jonesy. Jonesy was whispering. At a moment, Sue quickly rushed to the bed of Jonesy and she wanted to listen that what she was speaking in a low voice. She found Jonesy was counting backwards. Means जोंसी उल्टी गिनती गिन रही थी, ऐसा सू ने सुना. She was